Hey guys and gals, I'm out here doing my walk, late walk, 75 hard. And while I'm out here walking, I get so much clarity. I just get, just a lot of things go through my mind, and I get clear on a lot of things. And one thing that I'm clear on tonight is that I'm doing just what I need to do. The business that I run, the people that I help, the way that I live my life, the things I post on social media, I know my cause because it has an effect on people. Recently, I had a patient came in my office who was suicidal. They came to see me and share with me basically how increasingly they were becoming more and more suicidal. And I'm reminded of myself back in 2003 when basically if I hadn't heard my son crying in his crib, I would not have picked up the phone and called for help. After having slit my wrist and have taken some lethal doses of prescription medication, I was being silent about my experience. I didn't have anyone to talk to. I didn't know who to talk to. And anyway, so what I'm clear on tonight is why I do what I do. There's so many people that feel like they have to be silent, that feel like they can't reach out and ask for help. And then there's even times when people reach out for help, but people don't take them seriously. And, they think, okay, it's not that, it can't be that bad. Well, actually, it is that bad if you're suicidal. If you're talking about not wanting to be here, if you're doing things not to be here, if you're constantly being ignored when someone's sharing with you about what their experience is, and they're asking for help. And asking for help isn't always like, hey, could you help me? It could just be being quiet for a few minutes and paying attention to what somebody says, and I have to be fully present with my patients because you never know. This recent thing, it would, I'm trained, so I'm trained to assess for these things. But imagine if this person, and I'm sure there's been times that this has happened, a client walks into a therapist's office and they're too busy and not paying attention, or you walk into a supervisor's office or call a friend and people are just too busy that no one's listening, or it's just too much really for them to bear, that maybe just them listening to you could get them get you pointed in the right direction. So I know exactly why I do what I do. I enjoy doing what I do because if I just help one person a day to know that they don't have to be quiet, then I'm doing just what I need to do. By the way, next week, the paperback of my book goes live. So I'm going to finish this workout. You guys have a great night.